Hi, Kipsters. It's so nice to see you. I really wish that I could be at school teaching you right now. Hopefully, you're staying healthy and safe, and you're washing your hands and not touching your faces. Today, we're going to start with Module 4. It's our last module of the year, and this will be our foundational lesson. So, we're going to learn some things today that you'll need to know to be successful for the whole module. So, it's a very important lesson. So, let's get started. Module 4 is going to be all about how we persuade others. So, how do people persuade others? Why are some arguments more persuasive than others? How does language influence the way we think and behave? And what happens when people misuse or abuse the power of language? There are three main persuasive techniques that you will need to know by the end of this lesson. Those persuasive techniques are ethos. In other words, how do you make somebody trust you? Pathos. In other words, how do you appeal to somebody's emotions? And logos, which is how you appeal to somebody's sense of logic and reasoning. So let's take a look at our agenda for today. Your learning target is I can identify and create examples of persuasive appeals. So you're going to be able to identify ethos, pathos, and logos, and you're going to be able to use those persuasive appeals to eventually convince me why I should not assign homework for the rest of the year. So we're going to start with a journal prompt. We're going to watch a video and do some video notes. We're going to do what's called a virtual gallery walk, which is where we're going to take a look at some different advertisements and try to identify how we're being persuaded by those advertisements. And then you'll be ready for your exit ticket, where you'll convince me why I should no longer assign homework. All right, let's go ahead and get started with your journal prompt. Here are your directions. You're going to type your response to the journal prompt in the space underneath this video. If you've got a phone or if you want to pull up a 5-minute timer maybe on your computer, go ahead and set a 5-minute timer and see if you can try to write the entire 5 minutes. Here's your prompt. Should teachers assign homework? Explain why or why not. Try to be extremely persuasive. If you are having writer's block, you will see that I provided some optional sentence starters for you. You can use all of them, none of them, or some of them. It's up to you. Good luck.